Let's set the stage. As a consultant, you live by meetings. You're juggling prospects, discovery calls, follow-ups, and existing clients. What you need is a scheduling app that makes booking smooth and professional while fitting around your busy calendar. Calendly and Motion both aim to solve this, but they approach it from different angles. First up, Calendly. Calendly's strength is how clean and simple it is for client booking. You set your availability, create booking links, and your clients pick a time. It handles time zones automatically, supports one-on-one and team scheduling, and integrates with major tools: Google Calendar, Outlook, Zoom, Microsoft Teams. For consultants, that means less back and forth, fewer scheduling headaches, and a booking page that looks professional. On the downside, it's focused almost entirely on the meeting side. When it comes to managing tasks, rearranging your day around those meetings, or auto-scheduling your work time around client calls, Calendly doesn't offer much. Now let's talk about Motion. Motion takes a broader view. It is not just about letting clients book you. It's about helping you organize your calendar, your tasks, your day. It uses AI and automation to prioritize tasks, create time blocks, rearrange when things shift, and still let clients book meeting links. For a consultant who needs to balance client calls, prep time, follow-ups, and deep work, Motion might offer more of the backbone you need. However, the trade-off is complexity. Because it offers so many features, setting it up takes more work, and the booking link/client experience may feel less polished or straightforward than Calendly. Some users also note that its reminder and booking link customization features aren't as strong. In the end, as a consultant, your ideal tool is the one that fits how you work. If your primary goal is to make booking client calls frictionless, go with Calendly. If you're growing, juggling many clients, want to protect your time, and want your schedule to adapt dynamically, go with Motion. Either way, pick one, set it up, send that link to clients, and then focus on what you do best: delivering value. Scheduling should support you, not slow you down.